So we had a little bit of an argument over whether there were clouds or mountains, and we've come down to the water to check. There is snow on the mountains.
I win. I win.
And we're really zoomed in far on Ed. What'd you say, Ed?
I said, I win. I win.
You want to go visit the snow?
No.
All right, we took a little bit of a break and then got ourselves fed some lunch. Of course, Ed picked a place that had carved fish and a carved wooden boat, and we ate clams.
It was very, very gaudy.
But the food wasn't bad.
It was pretty good.
Anyway, now it's time for a cruise of the bay.
Wow, you bought me my own cruise ship?
Yeah, Ed's gonna go ride on his yacht while the rest of us just go take a narrated sightseeing cruise of the bay.
Well,
your yacht,
yeah.
You can go start blowing it up over there. It is so nice to be on the water.
Yeah.
We're totally going to get wind and sunburned, but that's okay.
Yeah, well, we put sunblock on.
I mean, come on, we're passing the wheel downtown, the Space Needle's over there, sticking out of Ed's head.
It's there. I swear it's there.
It is, you can see it.
You can see it? Okay.
Yeah. Wow. Such look, the sun. I mean, I guess this is not Seattle weather, apparently.
Well, it's 55, which now, after a couple days, feels better.
Oh, it feels so good out here.
Yeah.
And you can even see Mount Rainier today. It is such a beautiful day. All of the mountains are just showing off. No clouds, no nothing. Wow. Here on the back of the boat. Little by little I have to put my ears near the speaker, but the two of us have just been, my ears have been running from side to side on the back here, just the views. I mean, one side you've got Seattle and the Space Needle. Yes, Ed knows how to point to the city. Yep, And the other side? Mountain. Thank you, Ed. Mountains, and it's absolutely beautiful today. Yeah. This is so cool.
Yeah.
Perfect day.
It's beautiful.
We're docking now, so we stuck back downstairs early, so Ed had some time to do stairs. Yep. Ed does stairs again now. Yeah, but here we're docking back at the pier. That was so much fun. Again, because of where we wanted to stand, we couldn't hear a ton of the narration, but I was trying to listen and catch clues and stuff. On a beautiful day like today, I'm not sad I missed the narration. If it weren't, we could see all the distance, I probably would have listened more so. But just being outside in the sun on the water was great.
It was beautiful out.
Yeah. And just a heads up, we purchased the CityPASS for Seattle discounted through AAA.
Yeah. So worth it.
It has all the attractions we've been doing so far under one ticket, and there's still more that we haven't done yet, and it's already made this trip amazing. So I recommend that if you are traveling and you have the flexibility, that was a huge benefit for us.
Yeah, we've done a lot. So yeah.
And again, not a sponsored thing. It was just the multi-ticket. I went to AAA. They had the discount. And I'm like, we're getting this.
Yeah, so don't forget that if you are
AAA. I think Costco has deals too. But the Seattle CityPASS.
Yeah.
I'm impressed with it.
Yes, definitely.
All right, so Ed rode the bus all the way up the hills that I wouldn't even want to walk up. We came up to Queen Anne Hill.
Yep.
We have a purpose here, which is not this one that I'm about to show you, but check out the cherry blossoms.
There I am.
There's Ed, and there's the cherry blossoms. Yeah. It makes me so happy that the cherry blossoms are here for our anniversary.
Do you like them? I think you mentioned a few times,
I like when they fall like snow, too.
Yeah.
All right, we made it to the top of the hill.
It's just sort of a view. Up there, just a few things.
Just a couple of things to see.
Rainier,
yeah.
And Space Needle from way up here. It's beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah.